Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have this beautiful 2023, maybe 24 Chevy Silverado TrailBoss. I've been doing a lot of Chevys lately. But so this customer reached out to me via Instagram and he wanted to do an upgrade. So he did have some gear, and what we're doing in this vehicle is he wanted to do sound deadening. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, this is a brand new truck. I think this truck has less than 1,000 miles on it. He's got a brand new truck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this piece. We're gonna add a sub box, one of the automotive entertainment sub boxes with the lights and some cool stuff. And we're gonna do some sound deadening. So we're gonna pull the entire interior out of this vehicle, and we're gonna sound deaden the floors, the rear deck, and the rear panel, all the doors for this customer. And we're gonna add a amp and a sub. And so we're gonna do our typical install when it comes down to it. So we're gonna literally take this car apart, get it all ready to go. We're gonna add the hush mat here. And that's gonna do all the floors and the doors, and like we talked about it. And we're gonna do a couple of these subs. He's got one here now. He's gonna ship me the other driver. And he's got this Nakamichi amp here. So we're gonna literally take this truck apart, sound deaden it, and then put the sub box in once the box is completed, and then tune the sub box. Not a very complicated deal. We're gonna do some high to lows, use a very simple high to low, and some RCAs, and we should be in business. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get a lot of this on video, so we'll take this truck apart and get it all going and go from there. I'm not gonna show you the video of taking apart the back seat, because that's very common. Everybody knows how to do that. But we'll move forward on everything else. All right, so stay tuned. Took the last couple hours and we got this truck broken down. All the interiors out of it. We're not gonna take the door panels off. We're gonna get the sound deadening done inside here, and then run the wires for the amp. Like I said, we pulled everything down to the metal, even the rear package right here. So yeah, we'll get this all broken down and go from there. It shouldn't take too long, like a couple hours or a couple days, but we'll YouTube it super fast.
When the time is right, I'll sing you a song. Hey, I hold ground. Hey, I hold ground. Hey, I hold ground.
All the doors are done, ready to go. I may do sound deadening on all of them. The doors are solid. So now he can get a good sound system. So next is on the schedule is we're gonna probably put the back seats back in here, the back physical back seat, and then we'll put the amp rack in, and then we'll mount everything. We already ran the power wire. We just got to get the ground. We're waiting for a couple other parts. So we're getting there. Next on the schedule. Next is, like I said, get the back seat in. All right. So we got the amp put in. We had to run a new bass knob because the bass knob was bad for this amp. Might be the case because he pulled it out of the car. So everything's all wrapped up. It's here. We got the box going. Just got to put some lights on it. I mean, hit the remote and we're in business.